In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eSignature in SharePoint. By the end, you'll have a simple, approval-based signing workflow that captures a digital record using SharePoint and Power Automate. Start by opening your SharePoint site and heading to the document library where you keep contracts. Upload your document, whether it's a Word file or a PDF. Give the file a clear name so it's easy to recognize in emails and approvals later. Make sure the people who need to review it have access to that library. Permissions determine whether they can open the link you'll send. Next, switch to Power Automate at flow.microsoft.com. Choose Create, then pick Automated Cloud Flow. This type of flow runs automatically when something happens. In our case, when a file shows up in your library. Select the trigger called When a File is Created in SharePoint. Configure it to watch the correct SharePoint site and document library. This ensures the flow only starts when a new contract is uploaded to the right place. Now add the approval step. Click New Step, search for Start and wait for an approval, and select it. Choose the approval type, Approve/Reject, so the reviewer has a simple decision. Give the approval a concise title, like Contract Approval, and add any helpful details in the description field, such as the purpose or a deadline. In the Assignees box, enter the approver's email address. Double-check spelling and make sure this person can access the document in SharePoint, otherwise they won't be able to open it from the approval email. To make the approval useful, include a direct link to the uploaded file. Use the dynamic content from the SharePoint trigger to insert the document link into the approval card so the reviewer can open it with one click. If available, also pull in the file name to make the email subject and approval title easy to scan. When you save and test the flow by uploading a new contract, the approver will receive an email from Power Automate. They'll open the message, review the document, and click Approve or Reject. Their response, along with the timestamp and any comments, is stored automatically in the Power Automate run history. That history serves as your digital record of the approval. Keep in mind, this is an approval-based process, not a full legal e-signature solution. It's great for internal sign-offs and quick confirmations, but for legally binding signatures, you should use a dedicated e-signature provider integrated with your environment. That's it. Upload the file, trigger the flow, collect an approval, and keep the record. Try it with a sample document first to confirm everything works end to end.